If you want to create a Whop community from scratch, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. We're going to go from the seller dashboard all the way to publishing your store page, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your community, add the right apps, create a product, and make it ready for members to join. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more software guides, and let's get started. First, head over to whop.com/sell. You can also click your profile icon if you're already signed in and looking for the fastest way to switch over. Once you're there, click View Dashboard. This will take you away from the buyer side and into your merchant portal, which is where all of your creator tools live. On the dashboard, look at the bottom of the page or the bottom of the navigation sidebar, and then click Create Your Whop. This is the starting point for building your community. Next comes the initial setup. Whop will guide you through a few quick onboarding steps, and this is where you define what kind of community you're creating. Select your business model, such as a paid group, then choose your industry, your country, and how you plan to use the platform. Take your time here, because these details help Whop tailor the experience to your setup. After that, you'll be asked to name your community. Keep in mind that the name can be up to 30 characters, so choose something clear, memorable, and easy for members to recognize. You'll also need to choose a custom URL slug, which helps make your page easier to share and more professional. Once your basic community setup is in place, it's time to add the apps that will power the experience for your members. At the top left of your dashboard, click Add App. This is where you can browse the core tools your community needs. Depending on your goals, you might want to add a chat app for real-time conversation, a forums app for organized discussions, or a courses app if you want to deliver structured content. Think about what kind of experience you want members to have, because the apps you choose will shape the way your community functions. After that, you'll want to create a product and set your pricing. Go to your dashboard, click Products, and then select Create Product. This is where you package your community into something people can buy or join. Give the product a clear title that immediately tells people what it is. Add a short marketing headline that highlights the benefit, and upload a high-quality banner image so the page looks polished and trustworthy. Then choose your pricing structure. Whop gives you flexible options, including free, one-time, or recurring. So pick the model that matches your community strategy. Now, here's a very important part. Attach your apps to the product. This step connects the community experiences you just created to the product itself. When you link the product to your selected apps, paying members will instantly get access to them after purchase. That means your chat, forum, or course areas are all controlled through the product you just built, which makes everything much easier to manage. Once your product is ready, it's time to publish your store page. Complete your public storefront by writing a detailed description of what your community offers, who it's for, and what members can expect inside. The more clearly you explain the value, the easier it is for people to understand why they should join. When everything looks good, click Create or Publish, and your community will go live. And that's it. You've just created a Whop community, added your apps, set your pricing, and published your store page. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more step-by-step tutorials that make software easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.